Stop scrolling and answer this honestly. How many times have you said, "I'll start tomorrow"? How many times have you made plans in your head but never followed through? Be real with yourself. You dream about success, about growth, about becoming someone stronger. But when it's time to take action, excuses take over. You say you're tired. You say you're not ready. And slowly, days pass, weeks pass, and nothing changes. But listen to me carefully. No one is coming to save you. No one is going to live your life for you. If you want to grow, if you want to win, you have to make the choice, and today, right now. Here's the truth. Motivation is weak. It fades. One day you feel unstoppable, and the next day you can't even get out of bed. But discipline is different. Discipline is doing what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like it. Discipline is choosing long-term results over short-term comfort. It's pushing forward on the days when everything in you wants to quit. And yes, it will hurt. You will fail. You will fall again and again. But failure is not the end, it's the process. Every great person you admire, every hero you've ever seen, they all walked through failure before they found success. The difference is, they didn't quit. So ask yourself right now, what's really stopping you? Is it fear? Is it laziness? Or is it just the habit of waiting? Because there is no perfect moment. There is no magic day when everything will feel easy. The only time you have is now. Think about it. A year from today, you could look back and see real progress. A stronger body, a sharper mind, a better life. Or a year from today, you could look back and regret wasting another 365 days. It all depends on the choices you make today. So stop waiting. Start small if you need to. Read one page. Do one push-up. Take one small step toward your dream, because small steps build momentum, and momentum builds change. Your life doesn't transform in one single leap. It transforms slowly, quietly, through the choices you make every single day. So here's my question for you. How many more tomorrows are you going to waste? How long will you keep waiting while your future slips away? The time is now. Your dream is waiting, but it won't wait forever. It's waiting for you to finally take action, to fight, to sacrifice, to grow, and to become the person you were meant to be.
Promise you you'll catch me.